The topic is animal kingdom. So in this animal kingdom, next topic coelom. Next topic coelom. Coelom. Coelom means the space between the cavity means space. The cavity between outer body wall and inner visceral organs. Outer body wall and inner visceral organs. Visceral organs called body cavity. The space between the outer body wall and inner visceral organ. The space is called a body cavity. The body cavity is lined by mesodermal membrane. The body cavity is lined by the mesodermal membrane. Mesodermal membrane. The body cavity is lined by the mesodermal membrane is called coelom. Coelom. Coelom means the space between the outer body wall and inner visceral organ. The space is called body cavity. This body cavity is lined by the mesodermal membrane, that is called coelom. The coelom is present that animals are called as coelomates. Coelom presenting animals are called coelomates. Coelom present animals are called coelomates. The coelom presenting animals are called coelomates. Coelom three types. Coelom three types. One is the acoelom. Second one is pseudocoelom. Third one is eucoelom. True coelom. Eucoelom or true coelom. So coelom three types: acoelom, pseudocoelom, eucoelom. First one, acoelom. Acoelom means acoelom means the body cavity is absent. The body cavity is absent. The body cavity is absent is called acoelom. Coelom means these are the outer ectoderm. So these are the ectoderm. These are the ectoderm or body wall. Ectoderm. So these are the endoderm. Endoderm means they are the ectoderm means outer body wall. Endoderm means inner visceral organs. Between the outer body wall and inner visceral organ, the body cavity is present. That is called coelom. But in this one, no body cavity, no space. No space means no body cavity. No body cavity means that is called acoelom. The body cavity is absent, is called acoelom. Example phylums: Platyhelminthes. Example phylum Platyhelminthes. Next one, second one is pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom means the body cavity is present but do not lined by the mesodermal membrane. The body cavity is present. The body cavity is present but do not lined by the mesodermal membrane. Do not lined by mesodermal membrane. Mesodermal membrane. means in the second diagram. So these are the body cavities present. The body cavity is present, but they do not lined by the mesodermal membrane. That is called pseudocoelom. The body cavity is present, but do not lined by the mesodermal membrane is called pseudocoelom. Example phylums Nematoda. Example phylum Nematoda. Next one, third one is eucoelom. Eucoelom. Eucoelom means true coelom. The body cavity is present. The body cavity is lined by the mesodermal membrane. The body cavity is present, and the body cavity lined by the mesodermal membrane. The body cavity lined by mesodermal membrane. Is called eucoelom, true coelom. The body cavity is present. So this one space. The body cavity is present. The body cavity is lined by the mesodermal membrane. In this one, the mesodermal membrane, the mesodermal layer divided into two layers. Outer parietal layer. These are the outer parietal layer. So this one is the inner visceral layer. So the body cavity is lined by the outer side mesodermal membrane, inner side mesodermal membrane. So the cavity is present, the space is present. So that is called a eucoelom, true coelom. So this eucoelom divided into two types based on formation. Eucoelom divided into two types based on the formation. One is the schizocoelom. Second one is the enterocoelom. Schizocoelom and enterocoelom. First one, schizocoelom. Schizocoelom means the body cavity is formed by the splitting of mesoderm. The body cavity is formed by splitting of mesoderm. Is called schizocoelom. The body cavity is formed by the coelom is formed by the splitting of mesoderm is called schizocoelom. Example phylums Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. Next one, enterocoelom. Enterocoelom means the body cavity is formed by the mesodermal pouches of archenteron. The body cavity is formed by mesodermal pouches of archenteron. Mesodermal pouches of archenteron. The body cavity, the coelom is formed by mesodermal pouches of archenteron. Example phylums Echinodermata, Hemichordata, chordata. Echinodermata, Hemichordata, chordata. So these are the coelom.